Jenna, she doesn't need to be here, so I'm locking her out. You threw a bottle of water on me, so you need to sit outside and think about it.
You really think, Jayla, that this door is gonna stop me from coming in and stop whatever I'm about to lay down on you? You have another thing coming. Hey, boo.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Scared ass bitch.
What am I scared of?
Couldn't open the door, scared.
Why would I open the door for you and you threw a bottle of water on me?
I threw a bottle. Your bitch threw that bottle of water.
No, that water came from behind me. You threw that bottle of water on me.
First of all, I have
threw that bottle of water on me. I don't give a
about nothing.
Get out
baby
my
girl.
face.
What?
Jenna, I know you're trying to be cute, but it's really not working, and that cute is gonna get you up.
I don't have to try to do anything, bitch. I was there.
Wash your now.
Fight because that's just no fun and lame. But if somebody starts with me, I will be the one finishing it. So, Jayla, hit me if you're about that life. What, you want to fight?
If you get in my face one more time, I'ma slide your ass.
Okay, so do it.
Get in my face.
So do it.